Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can download files from Telegram application and how you can find them later. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and write your comments after watching the video. Let's get started. Let's say someone has dropped files to you on Telegram and you want to download them for yourself. How do we do that? We open up Telegram, find the conversation where the files are, and as you can see, I've got a couple of different kinds of files here. It's a photo, a short video, and also a file like this. How do you save them? In order to save any of them, you can use two options. Either you click on the photo, for example, and we see here download this photo, save image, and then it will be downloaded. Or we can open it. Then we can click on the three dots at the top, and we can also choose Save Image. Either way, your photo will be downloaded. The same with video, Save Video. Or if you open it, click on the three dots and select Save Video. Same with file. If someone sends you an image as a file, then you can open it up after they've uploaded the file. Click on the three dots at the top and select Save Image. But if you click on the file, then as you can see here, this function like download image is not there. So in order to download files, you have to wait for it to load first, then open and download. And now if you and I go to the gallery, we can see that all the files that you and I just downloaded, they are all in our gallery. So that's the way you can download files and media from Telegram, and then you can find them in your gallery. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments for sure, and see you soon.